Government is keen to dial the auction route for selling stake in NALCO and EIL, but the present SEBI rules do not allow that, which is why the Finance Ministry has asked the market regulator to tweak the auction guidelines and make it more aligned with the secondary market. Mrinalini Krishna has more details on this. Mrinalini, thanks for joining in. A Happy New Year. I know it's cold out there, but tell us, what are the proposed changes?
Well, Neeraj, what we are picking up from sources is that Finance Ministry has written to market regulator SEBI to tweak norms for auction. Remember, the Finance Ministry is keen to divest its stake in both Engineers India as well as NALCO via the auction route, but these two companies are outside the purview of the current SEBI rules for offer for sale. Remember, SEBI's rules for offer for sale say that this option can be utilized by promoters who are willing to meet their minimum public shareholding norms or companies in the top 100 by market cap. These two companies are outside of that, which is why the government has written to SEBI asking them to allow more companies where these two conditions are not there for them to divest stake. Apart from that, they have also sought making the indicative price visible during the auction. Remember, so far the indicative price is only visible in the last in fact, last 45 minutes of the auction. But Finance Ministry believes that making the indicative price visible will help investors make better bids, more informed bids. Apart from that, they have also asked SEBI to increase or to move to a T+2 kind of a settlement cycle for the auction process instead of a T+1 cycle that is happening right now, in order to align the process with the secondary market. They believe it will create a more efficient as well as a more aligned process to the secondary market. It will also give some comfort to the bidders as far as the auction process is concerned. Also, that will take care of the abolishing of 25% margin requirement that SEBI has put in for the auction process bids right now. Finance Ministry wants SEBI to abolish that as well, so that it is easier for bidders to participate, especially global investors, to participate in the divestment process. And clearly they're looking for a more transparent, more efficient system for the auction so that they can go ahead and get more investors as far as the divestment process is concerned.